prognosis for Edtech companies, short and long term. There is capital out there, as we talked earlier, for funding of Edtech companies. Whether it's short term or long term depends on the time horizon of the investors. I think there is ample capital to fund the different initiatives that are going on. The question is that not all companies have an ability to distinguish what they are selling and what the market is for their product.
I would say this: 10 years ago, there were no significant investment companies devoted to education and the education industry. Today, many, if not most, private equity firms have a specific practice around education. It's been a dramatic change in the past decade. Spoke yesterday to a woman creating a new private equity fund focused on education. So sure, there are hundreds of millions, billions of dollars now available in the marketplace for education companies. I would say the folks that have invested in higher ed have probably gotten better returns than those that have invested in K-12 thus far. K-12 has been a slow mover. I still think there are opportunities there in the K-12 space, and I think the K-12 has been a slow adopter of online and digital tools. I'm seeing clear movement around adoption at the school district level of digital tools. So I do think there are some good opportunities there. Do I want to call it a bubble? I don't think so. Are some people going to be, make some bad investments? Sure, but that's a marketplace. I think we still, education is about what, 15–17% of our market, of the entire U.S. economy. It's a big part of what we do.
The environment for funding of EdTech companies in the current environment is really very strong. There's quite a lot of activity in the market. I logged more deals in 2014 than I've ever logged in 20 years of working with companies in the marketplace. The vast majority of them were EdTech companies, and I would say it's about a 4-to-1, 5-to-1 ratio of companies getting funding versus companies that were sold in a merger or acquisition type of transaction. For the coming year and foreseeable future, I really see that funding stream remaining strong. It won't be universal. I still think there's a degree of pickiness in the market, so that's a good thing, because that means the market's not overheated yet. I continue to see strong interest in every company that I'm bringing to market right now, though, so I think the prognosis remains great.